Upbikers is a system designed to get to the ground without modifying the motorcycle and in complete safety. With Upbiker, you can ride the motorcycle you want, regardless of your height and the size of the motorcycle. Upbikers allowed you to get 4 centimeters of height right where you need it, in the area of first connected with the ground. Upbikers are tested by thousands of motorcyclists around the world. When you get the product, you will find 2 Upbikers, one for each foot. The left is marked for the left foot and the right is marked for the right. Assembly is exactly the same for both. 2 A-line strap for shoes from size 35 to 40. 2 B-straps for shoes from size 41 to size 46. And 2 C-straps for the top of our Upbiker. 8 buttons for attaching straps, plus extra 2 buttons in case there is a problem with the closure or you get wrong size during assembly. Before putting the straps on Upbiker, we must stretch them to make them lose their stiffness. This way we will gain flexibility and we will be able to use it correctly and comfortably while enjoying the Upbikers. Secondly, we must know the installation buttons. These pieces can only be placed once, and if we make mistakes during assembly, we will have to break them with the help of tools. Remember that the A-strap is for shoes or sneakers from size 35 to 40, and the B-straps is for shoes from size 41 to 46. The straps have a flap that should point up and not to the floor. This cover will help us wear Upbikers, and it's designed to adapt to the shape of the heel of the shoe. Once we've chosen a strap that fits our shoe size, we'll attach one end to a button fastening. Once the first end of the strap is in place, we will check that we have indeed choosing the correct size before installation the other end. Now we place the Type C strap on the top of our Upbikers, keeping in mind that the flap should point upward in the direction of the leg and not in the direction of the toy. You now have your Upbikers ready to enjoy your motorcycle and ride it safely. To wear Upbiker, place the tip of your foot inside the Upbiker and extend the strap to attach it to your heel. To take it off, extend the strap and place your foot comfortably.